National Weather Service Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Portage County until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain is falling over the warning area. The rainfall will be heavy enough to produce flooding of roads, streams, creeks, and rivers. Rainfall amounts can be as high as an inch to an inch.
Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cuyahoga County, Geauga County, Portage County,
where the water covers the roadway. Most flooding deaths occur in automobiles. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following county: Portage, Ohio.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Cuyahoga County, Geauga County, Portage County until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Streetsboro and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Chardon, Solon, Garrettsville, South Russell, Chesterland, Burton, Middlefield. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, and Portage.